Sleep might be the most overlooked part of fitness. You can train hard. You can eat well. But if you're not sleeping properly, your results will suffer. Studies show that sleeping less than 6 hours per night can reduce strength, endurance, and reaction time. That means your workouts feel harder, even when you're doing the same routine. Sleep is also when muscle repair happens. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone. This supports muscle recovery and physical adaptation. Less sleep means slower recovery. But it doesn't stop there. Poor sleep increases ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry. At the same time, it reduces leptin, the hormone that helps you feel full. This combination makes cravings stronger and healthy eating harder. That's one reason sleep deprivation is linked to weight gain. So how much sleep do you actually need? Most adults perform best with 7 to 9 hours per night. Consistency also matters. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your internal clock. If you struggle with sleep, start with simple improvements. Limit screens 1 hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark. Avoid heavy meals right before sleeping. And try to wind down instead of staying stimulated late at night. Remember, progress doesn't just happen in the gym. It happens when you recover, train hard, eat well, sleep properly. If you found this helpful, check out our shorts for more simple fitness tips. Subscribe to SimpleFit Daily for beginner-friendly workouts and habits that actually work.